Let's talk about 3 incredible sex positions that you can put us in no matter your size. And trust me, positions really do matter when it comes to our orgasm. So you want to make sure that when you're with us intimately, that you're not just putting us in the positions that you think work, but that you know for sure these are your bankable positions that you know work so well with your D, and it gives her an explosive, unforgettable orgasm every single damn time. Now, before I get started, I always want to give you guys something free in my video. So if you're one of those guys and you're like, Erica, as much as I want to get into this video, I really lack confidence when it comes to getting intimate with a woman. Don't worry, I've got my free downloadable guide. It's called the 7 Free Exercises to Boost Your Bedroom Confidence. You can get it in the comment section. You can get it in the description, because confidence does really matter, especially with one of these positions I'm going to ask you to put her in. First and foremost, one of the best positions that just gives us a damn orgasm every time, and it may not be the position you like, but it's a position that we crave because we know no matter what, we're gonna get that damn orgasm. And that is when we are riding your dick. When we're on top of you and we're riding and we're in control, all we need is for you to stay erect. That's right. If you can just stay erect and let us ride on it, we're in control. We can grind, we can bounce. Doesn't always give her what she wants in that, but when we can grind and we can control it with our hips, as long as you're erect, hell, you can even put a pillow under your ass to give it even more of that lift. But when we're riding that D, this feels so incredible for us. Why? Because we can slide our clitoris up against you if we need to. We can grind on you. We can rotate on you. We know that in this position, it's gonna feel incredibly good for us. And we know no matter what, we're gonna orgasm. So you may be with a woman and she may not be comfortable with her body. She may not know that that position is going to make her orgasm, but because you are watching this video right now and Arica Angelo has told you this, you're gonna tell her to ride your dick. And here's something that's so sexy that you can do, and it is such a turn on, is when we're riding you, first let us have control. Let us have control. Put it in the comment section. She wants control. Let us have control when you're riding your dick. What's really annoying is when you're on top of a dick and then the guy's like, here, let me just, no. Let me be in control. Let me feel my body. Let me work up my own orgasm. But when she gets to that point and she's making those noises and she's moaning and you can feel the juices just sliding down your cock, when she's doing all of that, that's when you can take her by the side of her hips and begin to grind her even faster on you. But here's the thing, not all women are vocal, and that's why it's really important that you don't take charge. You don't start grabbing her hips immediately, because you want her to feel like she's in control. The more she feels like she's in control, the more she is going to verbalize to you. And one thing that you can always do to really prepare her and turn her on is by just going down. And you know I have my most infamous product, which is Tongue Magic. It's in the comment section. It's in the description. If you're that guy, you want to give that 100 A-grade pleasing oral when you're in between her legs, then trust me, baby, Tongue Magic is the one that's going to get you there. It's given to you from me, from a woman. We know what we want with our body. I know men have told me, oh, well, this guy makes a course about this. I'm a woman and I'm telling you, most guys fail in this, and this is how you are going to succeed. Make sure you get it in the comment section. It's in the description. Here's another position that is super hot, and it's a different angle to what I'm just sharing with you, but it's when you are sitting on a chair and she is riding, meaning you're sitting on the chair and she has a leg straddled on each side. That, I'm just saying, she can even squirt in this position. There's something about that angle of when you're on a chair and our legs are literally just hanging over, because when you're on the bed, our legs are still in a weird squatting position, not squatting, but it's laid out on the bed. And so we've got only so much motion. But when our legs are hanging on the side of a chair and you're holding us from the back and she can grind on you, because those legs are falling over, there is just all that penetration that you're giving her, no matter what your size is, and that is going inside of her, and she can feel can feel you in the depths of her vagina. Please, for the love of God, find a good chair. I don't care if it is your sex chair, if you have no other use for it in your home. Get the damn chair. In fact, in the comment section, I want you to write that. Get the damn chair. Because when you have one of those chairs where it's comfortable enough for you to sit down, your legs are over it, but her legs can fall off the side and it's got that angle. It doesn't have to be a fancy chair, but there's something about that, the legs just falling down, the gravity of our legs hitting below and just completely taking the depths of you. This is mind-blowing. It gives us incredible orgasms. And you know, I've got my erotic power positions where I give you 25 positions, some positions you may have never heard of before. And trust me, if you haven't heard of them, she hasn't heard of them. So you want to get that so that you have a whole plethora of positions to choose from. Now remember at the beginning of the video, I said to you, you're gonna need the confidence for this position. Here's why. It's a bit of an unusual position, but I promise you, no matter your size, it's gonna make her feel incredible. It's when she is laying on her back and you pull her legs up like she's laying in a squat. So her knees are bent and you hold her knees and you push them forward and you're almost kind of rocking her back where her pelvis is lifted up just a little bit. You're doing that. You have to be confident because she's not gonna feel so comfortable in this position and she's probably gonna give you some pushback, but this isn't so comfortable. Let her know that you got her and you know that she's gonna feel good. Why? Because when you're holding her down in that position, so her knees are squished up, you're on top of her, legs are obviously spread a little bit in between those knees, and you're holding them and then you're inside of her. What you're doing is you're giving her that angle where you just hit it right in the right spot. It is such a turn on, but she needs the confidence from you that you know no matter what, this position is going to nail her in that orgasmic bliss. So make sure you get tongue magic. Make sure you get the confidence. Make sure you get erotic power positions. Why? Because you are gonna be the ultimate boss in the bedroom. You are gonna be the man that she can't stop bragging about. You are gonna be the man that she comes back to and she gives compliments to and she says, I ain't never had it done to me the way that you've been doing to me, and where the hell did you learn that? Because they do ask where you learned that, and you can just say, a beautiful Latina woman named Arica Angelo shows me all sorts of things on YouTube, and I'm so glad that your body is experiencing that. Guys, this is why you wanna hit that subscribe button. And now, here's a video that YouTube thinks that you should watch. Watch that video and I will see you Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. I love you. Take care. Bye.